Hello and welcome to another daily market update by Market Intel. Today we want to talk about a stock again. We want to talk about Home Depot. And I am on the Market Intel website, dailymarketupdate.com. You can find a link to this website in the video description. And if you are interested, then feel free to use the link, register here, and then you will receive free Elliott-Wave updates about various asset classes every single day, including oil, stocks, cryptocurrencies, gold, the Nasdaq, and the S&P 500. Now let's take a look at the stocks today. And we pick Home Depot today. And when you register here on the website, you see the text, the written update, the written analysis with targets, support and resistance levels, and probabilities. I think we start on the longer time frame wave count and chart. This gives you a good overview of where we are currently positioned in the larger wave count. First of all, you can see that relevant support levels are $264.51. And then we have let's say a long-term support zone down here, which is between $210.23 and $89.90. Long-term, we expect the price to get into this target region. But first of all, in our primary scenario, we expect this correction to complete. We are still in this wave 2 in blue after a wave 1 topped here end of 2021 at $420.61, which is also a critical resistance level going forward. Most recently, the price already overcame a short-term resistance at $347.25. The idea is currently that, as I said, we are in this wave 2, which is a corrective phase. This correction started a while ago, and we're probably round about 50 to 60% through. Still have to complete this B wave and then the C wave to the downside, which would be the last wave of this 3-wave structure correction, which we call a wave 2, and as I said, should land in this target area eventually. Now, in the short term, you can see that the expectations are for the price to go a little higher in this B wave, and on the smaller time frame wave count or chart, we're going to take a look at the micro count in a minute. However, in our alternative scenario, we are still in blue wave 1. Okay, so as I just mentioned, in the primary scenario, we are already in wave 2. We see this as 64% likely. So we assign a 64% probability currently to our primary scenario here on the 2-day chart. However, there is a 36% probability for the alternative wave count, in which we still are in the process of finishing blue wave 1, which presumably in the primary count finished end of 2021. So it would just delay this wave 2 sell-off. But it would take a break above $420.61 to confirm the alternative scenario. Let's take a look at the shorter time frame wave count. We basically now take a look at this B wave here. It's a corrective phase and it consists of an ABC structure itself. Only when within the B wave the B wave consists of this WXY structure, but the Y wave within the B wave is an ABC. And we can see this in magenta on the smaller time frame wave count or chart. You see it here, that we're now dealing with this corrective phase, which is, as I said, an ABC structure. And the A wave is currently in the process of being completed. Should still go a little higher though. In the primary scenario here on the shorter time frame wave count, also with a 64% probability, the market should still go a little higher over the coming weeks, probably towards $395.44 and $408.99, which is our target area. It could be used for profit taking. It could even be used for shorting with a stop loss 1% above the box. And then we would be looking at a B wave to the downside, which should then still lead to another C wave higher, which then again, if we go to the longer time frame chart, should take us higher to complete this overall correction. And then the C wave should start from there. Basically, we are here in this structure at the moment, and this correction is currently being in the process. It's currently in the process, and within this correction, the A wave is nearly done. So in the primary scenario, the A wave is still unfolding in magenta to reach that target area up there. In the alternative count, the A wave is already complete, and we should see very shortly a break below $322.03. However, again, that's only the alternative, and we only assign a probability of 36%. Before then, a C wave to the upside starts. Basically, in the alternative, the A wave is complete, and we already have progressed a little further. But yeah, in this scenario, the wave 5 here of A would be a little bit short, And also we've now just made a new high, so that is not the preferred scenario. That's the update about Home Depot. Hope you enjoyed the update. Feel free to use the link in the description to get to our website and register for free Elliott-Wave updates. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.